Did you know, mga tiles from the 1920s to 30s are literally radioactive? Itong orange parts right here contain uranium. Welcome back sa another video ko nitong nuclear science series. Today, i-explain ko tong why itong vintage tile contains uranium. Anong klase ng radiation nag-give off? At whether ito ay safe to own. First of all, bakit itong tile contain uranium? Mga tiles ganito ginamit uranium oxide sa mga glazes nila. Binigyan sila either vibrant orange, red, green, or yellow. Yung uranium used ay mostly natural uranium, which nag-include isotope uranium-238 at uranium-235. Ito nag-emit 3 types ng radiation, mainly alpha at beta particles, with kahunting gamma rays, low energy at 49.55 kiloelectron volts. Itong mga uranium glazes ay popular sa mga 1920s to 40s sa Southern California. Ito used sa mga decorative tiles sa public places at homes, especially sa mga places alam ko, LA, Malibu, Pasadena, Catalina Island, at yung city na tumitira ko ngayon, San Diego. Now, i-check natin yung radiation from itong tile. Gagamitin ko itong 2 Geiger counters. Nagre-reading around 22,000 counts per minute, pero nakuha natin good reading. Now, switching sa another meter. Nagre-read around 50 to 60 counts per second. Ngayon, check natin yung dose rate. Yan ay about 0.9 to 0.11 microsieverts per hour. Pag ni-halt it for an hour, ito less dangerous than kukuha mo dental x-ray. So definitely not dangerous for short-term exposure like holding one like this. And of course, yung radiation mostly emits alpha at beta particles, which is hindi very penetrating. Hindi nakakapag-cause radiation sickness, unlike parang cesium-137, cobalt-60, or mga ibang other highly radioactive materials. The mga tiles are hand-glazed using uranium oxide. During the Depression at New Deal era, colorful architecture became more popular, especially right here in California. In San Diego, mga radioactive tiles pwede magiging spotted today, especially sa popular tourist attraction, Balboa Park. Check out mo yung Alcazar Garden at Casa del Rey Moro Garden. May spot them there. At ginawa ko yung video last year, so go check it out after nitong video. Check out these radioactive tiles. What makes them unique ay yung uranium oxide glaze used para gawin yung range of vibrant colors. You know, these tiles are part of ng mga Southern California history. Some of the orange pieces look like na lost nila yung vibrant color. Saan ko ito nakuha itong tile? Nakuha ko ito $58 during sa aking July 4th weekend getaway sa Glendale, California. While nagre-radioactive antique hunting sa Pasadena. Glad nakuha ko ito for $58 at mga iba, mga around more than $100, probably $1,000. Their first ever radioactive tiles sa aking collection. Itong tile nagpo-prove that yung mga historic things nakakapag-be radioactive at beautiful at the same time. While ito nag-give off low amounts of gamma rays at hindi very penetrating, hindi ito dangerous unless na-shatter mo to at in-inhale mo yung mga particles which nakakapag-contain uranium dust. Na-hope ko na-learn mo something new in this video. Got questions? I-drop ko sa comments below. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, i-please hit mo yung like button, share at subscribe sa aking channel para yung support at more content like this. Salamat sa panood at see you sa next video.